Get in, Kip.
Just
Hey guys. Nope, not yet. Hey, this is Kip and Christina Steinbrook and Everett Steinbrook, Superstar Directors for the Scentsy fragrance. Do you know what my team name is? Fresh things that smell there. We have some fun things to smell. While Kip is opening them, Everett, you should tell them what happened today at school.
I lost my tooth.
Talk normal.
I lost my tooth.
But, like, you didn't just lose your tooth. Where'd your tooth go?
I swallowed it.
He swallowed his tooth at school
because
today.
I was eating at lunch and I had food in my mouth.
So, do you not chew your food? Do you chew your food?
Yes.
How did you not bite into the tooth?
I did not bite in it. Well, it's because somehow my tooth dodged everything.
It dodged everything?
But I somehow swallowed it.
Yeah, what were you eating at lunch today?
I was eating a chicken sandwich.
A chicken sandwich? You like chicken sandwiches?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what else did you eat?
I had 2 red peppers, and I really like peppers.
You had 2 red peppers at lunch today? No way!
How do you get red peppers at lunch?
Is that one of the vegetable options? And you liked them?
I had them on last lunch, too.
What? You're a red pepper eating fiend. Those are so good for you. Did you know that? Super good for you. So, we got some new Scentsy smells in today. We have our new summer brick collection.
Oh, also I had grapes.
And grapes.
And I had 2 ketchup bags and 2 mustard bags.
You had ketchup and mustard. I'm glad that you enjoy your lunch. Can we go ahead and talk about Scentsy now?
Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe not.
Okay. So we have 5 bricks. They're brand new. Spring and summer smells. Yes. It's the Let's Dance collection. They're named after beverages though. So we're gonna smell them. I've never smelled any of them. Kip's never smelled any of them. Everett's never smelled any of them. So we're gonna tell you what we think. Sound good? First things first. All right. First we have Lemon Drop It Low. If anybody has never seen a brick before, they're as large as Everett's head. And they're about the amount of 6 bars. It's a whole pound of wax. And so you just cut them up with a butter knife. They're really nice and soft. And then you've got tons. Yep, so this is Lemon Drop It Low. I can already smell this. Are you excited to smell it, Everett? All right, everybody, lean in and take a sniff. Ready, set, lean in.
Ooh la la.
Right? That is so good. Stop. I want you to calm down. This smells really, really good. It's not like a cleaner kind of lemon. It's truly like a lemon candy smell.
Yeah.
It's not like a lemon essence of any sort. Calm down.
You definitely smell butter.
This is really good. Some butter, you think?
It does not smell buttery.
So it's Lemon Drop It Low. That's really, really good. If you like lemon, you'll love this. It's like lemon drop candy is what I would say it smells like. With a little bit of like a vanilla sugary undertone. Lemon heads. I would say lemon heads for sure. This is his library book.
All right.
Next.
Pina colada.
Pina Colada Cha-Cha.
Ooh la la.
Everett's going to like all of these. I'm just going to tell you that because this kid loves fruity smells.
And I like it. I like coffee smells.
What are some of your favorite Scentsy smells, do you think?
The coffee one.
He loves the coffee one. The Cafe Cubano is one of his favorites. And you loved Pumpkin Marshmallow the other day. Jumpin' Jelly Bean.
Yeah.
And he loves anything that smells like watermelon.
No, yes. I had not smelled anything.
Pina Colada. This is pineapple and coconut.
Ooh.
That smells so good.
Let's sneeze.
This smells exactly like a Pina Colada. If you were to order one at a restaurant, it smells the way they taste. 100%.
It's exactly what it smells like.
It is spot on in every possible way. Allison Calloway, if you're watching this, I think that this might be a much more low caloric option for you. They're really good. Yeah, it smells exactly like the drink. Next. So that one is Pina Colada Cha Cha. It smells exactly like, I mean, it's the blended frozen. It's perfect. Okay, this one is Strawberry Daiquiri Disco. Calm down, buddy. Or I'm going to make you leave.
What we're saying when you're making noises.
Okay, this is Strawberry Daiquiri Disco. Oh my gosh, I can already smell it. It smells exactly like a strawberry daiquiri.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Smells really good.
That is really good. This is extremely strong. Very, very strawberry. Like, if you were to stick strawberries in your blender and blend them all up with some sugar, this is what it would smell like when you open the lid. Like, it is fresh strawberry. Oh, wow. It smells a lot like those strawberry candies with the little, like, gooey centers. Like those hard candies that are in the strawberry wrappers.
Yep.
With the slightly gooey centers. It smells exactly like those taste. Oh, this is so good. Everett, oh my gosh, which one are we gonna? These are so, so good. We still have two more. Two more left.
Yes! And then is there even more stuff after?
Nope, just these 5. Ooh, this one will be good. This is
This video will be
Mojito Mambo. So this is a mint one. This one's mint. I bet you'll like this one.
Mint? And a beautiful mint.
It smells like actual mint leaves. It's not like a peppermint. It's literally the muddled mint.
I accidentally put my
That's
mouth
so cool. It's
I like it a
actual
lot.
mint, like muddled mint leaves. It's not like a mint gum, mint. It's really earthy. Like it smells like
Like a mojito.
It smells like a mojito. That's so cool.
I'm pretty sure we're saving the
Yeah,
best
so
for
it's
last.
not like a peppermint. It's not a spearmint. It's not that. It's literally the mint leaves
I need it.
muddled. The scent of
I'm
those.
just gonna hold the last one.
You're gonna hold the last one. I'm gonna smell that one again. It's
Can
like
I
you can
smell
smell the earthy, herby smell. It's so good. That is really, really good. I love that mint. That's so cool. That's so cool. I don't know how they do this stuff, man. I don't know how, like,
Scentsy
how do you have, like,
bar
essence
stuff
of
with
dirt to throw in there to make it smell
the first
super
word.
herbally, right?
Well, but it's actually really.
Can you read that?
Berry Cosmo Boogie.
Good job, Berry Cosmo Boogie.
I'm gonna smell it first.
He wants to smell it first. Berry Cosmo Boogie's next.
Ooh! Oh my gosh, you'll love this. Everyone, smell it if you wish.
You're so cute. That one is really good. I don't really have a frame of reference for that one because I've never had a Berry Cosmo. But it smells like actual berries.
Yeah. How's that?
It kind of has a vodka-y smell underneath.
Raspberry-ish smell to it.
Like something deep in there.
Like a blueberry raspberry.
Cool.
It's very tart.
Pop tarts.
What does it remind me of?
Bye bye.
Oh, like a yogurt.
Yogurt?
Like a raspberry yogurt.
Are you leaving us?
Yes.
Okay, love you.
Bye bye.
Like a yogurt?
Yep.
Yeah, April, this is pretty fruity. Like, I would say fruity. They're all kind of, any of the fruit drinks are pretty fruity, but like,
smell it one more
they
time.
smell like the real fruit, which is really, really cool.
I need to smell it one more time.
I don't like Rock and Ruby Raz at all, so, but I like this, so I'm not sure on that one. But you might, somebody who likes that smell might have that association.
Yeah, it's kind of like opening up I don't know.
You know what it kind of smells like? Sour Punch straws. A little bit. Like Sour Punch, like sour candy of sorts.
Maybe.
It's like, I disagree with you. I think it smells kind of like
I
it.
don't know what that smells like.
So what are my favorites? I loved the Mojito Mambo and the Lemon Drop, I think. What was the red one? What was the other red one? Oh, the Strawberry Daiquiri was good too. I would say Lemon Drop,
Oh, also,
Mojito.
I want to
Are my
say
top
my
two.
favorites. I like the mint and last one.
So if I had to put them in order for myself,
And
I'd
also-
say Mojito, lemon,
Bye.
strawberry, pina colada,
Bye.
and then berry Cosmo. What would you put if you had to put them in order of favorite to least? So.
That's a tough one. Probably Mojito, berry Cosmo, strawberry daiquiri. Although,
That's so good. The strawberry daiquiri is really good. It smells like that lemon puree or the strawberry puree that they put on
my
drinks.
order would be Mojito, strawberry, berry Cosmo, pina colada, and the last one would be the lemon one.
Last one's lemon drop.
Yeah.
So we're a little bit mixed, but we both love the mojito. So if that helps. So these are limited edition. So if these sound interesting to you, you want to buy them now because they're gonna run out. There are no testers. You can't buy them in bars. It's take it or leave it, grab it or don't. You can get 2 of them for $40 or they're $24 each. So let me know if you need some. Message me, whatever, or website. You know how it goes, right? So these are delicious. All 5 of them are awesome. So it was pretty hard to even rank them because even the 5th one wasn't that I didn't like it. They're all really, really good. It's a very solid collection. So you're gonna love them. You won't be bummed about any of them, especially if you like fruit of any sort. These are some of the most complex smelling fragrances I feel like I've smelled that were fruity. Like I feel like there's a lot to them in a good way.
These are a little more.
They have a lot of depth.
Yeah, there's a little more to them than your normal fruit smells.
Like sometimes I feel like fruity smells can sometimes taste or smell a little bit fake or waxy.
Generic. Yeah.
And pretty generic. Or chapsticky. These don't smell like that at all. These, like, the strawberry blows my mind. Like, it literally smells like the strawberry puree that they put on the drinks. So, I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they do it. And the mojito is absolutely muddled mint. Like, it's not like a weird peppermint, spearmint extract or something. It's truly muddled mint. And you will understand what I mean when you smell it. Like, how did they actually get the fragrance of muddled mint? That blows my mind. Like, and it's not just mint leaves. It's literally the muddled mint leaf. It's so cool.
The pina colada kind of smells like Moon Palace.
I love this one. Oh,
I just want to live here
I love this one.
in this moment right here.
This has that really green under earthy smell. It's so cool. There's like that real earthy mint. Like it smells kind of almost like that catnipy.
No.
I'm not leaving the video yet.
Yeah, well, we're leaving the video.
Yeah.
Yeah, the pina colada is super good. So, love them.
It was a party.
Party. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Can't reach the finish button. Done.